Good morning, everyone. I want to apologize. First of all, I've been trying to time this in between the fire alarms getting taken care of in our high rise, and it's challenging. So here we go. What are we looking at? It's 10 o'clock in the morning um, on August the 3rd. My name is Anne Marie Band. This is the Moneyball morning, and we are taking a look at charts that are pressing to the upside of their formations. Remember, when I began this, I said, hey, listen, this is where I think they're going. And so we've walked up here. This is a weekly chart. We've walked up here over the last couple of weeks, and now we're finding a little bit of congestion in the space. What we aren't seeing is the same thing happen in the Qs. They really are breaking out and up over this edge. So this is a breakaway formation. My suspicion is that 323 is going to be the next patch. Man, I hope I can fade this out when I go to fix this video. But in any case, that's what we are looking at. So right now, Qs screaming higher, a lot of cybersecurity names. Let's see, we had PayPal just explode higher. We've just got all kinds of NASDAQ instruments just really moving up and out. No place to short. Here's the thing. What we are doing is moving into a top of a region. So when you're looking at something going, man, I really wish I had an intraday trade, what do you want to do? Well, the hourly chart says to you, hey, I just finished the close of that candle. But as of now, I'm not heading up over the top of it. So really, the chart has got some work to do. And the risk for this particular event is all the way down here at the bottom of the candlestick. So my thought would be the following. Is the chart moving to the north? Yes, obviously. It kissed the VWAP and it's moving higher. But I would say if you're looking at a formation like that, maybe you want to go to a 15-minute and you want to gauge that same sort of price action there that says, hey, am I holding? It is. But again, this is a risk event because we've got supply action that pulls us all the way down before the price action recovers. So what do you want to do when you engage long and you look at something like that? You know that if you're not engaging on the pullback, that you have to be very careful taking the breakout. My thought is, wait for that pullback. Or if you chase it, you might want to chase it on something really tight, which I don't like. I don't like these very tight time frames at all. But they really are telling us that there are buyers and sellers both above us and below us, right? And so pullbacks are still buy zones. Remember, if you go, gosh, I don't know which way to go, take a look at that tight moving average, look at its direction. When that fade comes, take it in the direction of the press. And if your 5 is moving in the same direction as your 30, you know you're in good shape to go long. You just have to watch for the edges. And we know those edges are going to be up here around, 413, maybe 415 if things continue to move. There are a lot of people trying to short this market too early, folks, but there's a lot of bullish pressure showing here. And the big thing for us to watch, I'm going to go to this chart over here, and it's going to show us a couple of things. This is a question mark because what we've done is test a really high level of new highs minus new lows, but that's just a question mark. What has to happen when that shows up for it to fade is we have to lose support. And guess what we're not losing? We're not losing support. So this is going to pull into support and bounce higher, and then pull into support and bounce higher. Folks that are thinking the market's going to turn over in the near term, probably not looking at that in an ideal way. So just wanted to give you a heads up right there. Pullbacks or buy zones, get to your tight time frames, look at the slope of motion, pull back into the support edge, and Bob's your uncle. All right, take it easy, and I'll see you on the Benzinga Pro platform. We put out some great trades yesterday. They look fantastic today, and we are going to keep watching this market and positioning ourselves for the win. See you soon.